Hey everyone, welcome back to the Analytical Coding. In today's video, we are diving into sync slicers in Power BI. So, if you are tired of manually syncing slicers across multiple report pages, this video is for you. So, how can we make slicer in one page to filter all the pages in the report? Suppose here we are having a category slicer. Okay, this is our main page, and in detail page we are having the details. Now, in the main page, if I select category as apparel and if I check detail page, no, it is not getting filtered, right? Can I make this detail page filter according to the slicer value selected in the category field of main page? Yes, we can do that using the sync slicers. So, what are sync slicers? They let you use a slicer on one page and apply its filter to visuals across multiple report pages. So it saves time and ensures consistency in our reports. So how to use these sync slicers? For that, we had to select the slicer and go to View tab, and we are having an option Sync Slicers. And when we click on that, this opens a pane on the right side. Okay. In this sync slicers pane, we will see a list of pages, and we are having two options here, sync and visible. We can use these checkboxes to decide which one to be used. So firstly, coming to the sync, it is used to apply the filter across the pages by selecting the checkboxes of that page. So now let us select the sync option in the detail page. Okay. Now let me clear this filter. So here in this detail page, we are having all the product categories. And we have seen that when we select a slicer value in main page, now it is not affecting the detail page. Now we have checked the sync option for this category. Now let us choose a slicer value as electronics and let us go to the detail page. Wow, here we can see the category of only electronics. That means the slicer value in one page is filtering the other page values as well. So that can be achieved by sync slicers option. But in the detail page, what if I want to change the category to some apparel? Here I am not having the slicer option, right? So we can also make that visible. So go to main page, click on category and just check this visible option. So this visible option is used to display the slicer on the specific pages. And when we check this on, we can see the slicer in the next page as well. So when I go to detail page, you can see that we are having category slicer in the detail page as well. Okay, now let me delete this one, and coming back to main page, if I select category, you can see it is synced and visible only in the main page. Now come back to the detail page and let us add a slicer manually here. So click on slicer and adjust its size and select the category. Okay, and make it as a drop down here. So slicer settings, instead of vertical list, select drop down. And now you can see that this category option is visible to both the pages. But what if I change the name of that category to product category? Let us check that as well. So changing the name of the slicer to product category. Okay. So here we are having product category slicer with this same category field, and in the main page we are having the category slicer with the category that is the same field. Now in the detail page, so let us click on this and turn on this sync option. Okay, now we have turned on the sync options. Now let us select home option in the product category and let us check whether it is getting affected in the main page. Yes, you can see this particular category is filtered for home category. So this sync slicer feature helps us to ensure that slicer selections are consistent across multiple pages. So, the best practice for sync slicers is to avoid confusion by using slicers with consistent fields and rename slicer to make their purpose clear. So, this feature helps ensure that slicer selections are consistent across multiple pages. So, that's it about this syncing slicers in multiple pages. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.